bright out here right now.
Oh no! What was that? Huh?
It's really, really bright out here. Anyways, I'm here at Pensacola Beach. Got a workout in. And now, at the beach before our show tonight in Pensacola. So if you're in Pensacola, definitely come to our show that we have. Super excited. On Lana Day, we're going to crush. Look at this guy here. Hold on. Whoa. Look at those legs. There's Tony. And there. Flex your legs. Show us your legs.
What?
Show us your legs. Alrighty. And there is Tony, Cesaro, playing. There is Rusev playing. I wonder who's winning. Probably Rusev. Anyways, this is the lovely beach out here, which is awesome. Whoa.
Hi, you know? Hi.
Whoa, look at you. You're such a stud. Are you winning? Good. Good. He's always winning. Are you surprised? No. So, I'm going to give you this view of this awesome, beautiful water. Oh, wait. Can't see anything. It's so bright. Look at this. So pretty. About to go swimming. Oh, I'm obsessed with the ocean. Literally obsessed with the ocean and water. The ocean and water is literally my all-time favorite thing in all the world, let me tell you. Who loves the ocean? So here we are at Pensacola Beach. Can't wait to have Lana and Rusev Day show tonight. Lana's the best, Lana #1. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. I hope you like my bikini. That was a little inappropriate, but oh well. It's pink from Fashion Nova. That was love it. Wonderful. I wish I could see anything that's happening. Anyways, I have a new post up, so go check out my new post. Go check out my IG story where I really emphasize Rusev's legs because he's dieting and he's really excited about his, he's really excited about basically his very buff, strong legs. So, come join me on my Lana Day party out at the beach. We'll have a party and go, Lana is the best, Lana #1. Lana is the best, Lana #1. Anyways, I'm gonna crush. I'm obsessed with beaches, obsessed with oceans. Do you guys like my, tell me, do you guys like my new bikini? It's from Fashion Nova. I want to go surfing, but the waves are not big enough, as you see. Do any of you guys surf? Gonna go definitely jump in the ocean. I love the ocean very much so. So that's exciting. And here you go. Here is them two playing. Look at those. Well, my husband's a stud. And Tony is an anomaly, very strong. Cesaro crushes it. Rusev crushes it. What a butt. Those are his tiny whinies. I'm videotaping you.
Oh, God. Don't forget our A game.
Well, you guys do have your A game on, so.
Live?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll just be looking.
It's true. I went up really, really, really high on my views, by the way. Videotaping you guys, so everyone must be happy. Zooming in. Whoa. Whoa, he's flexing, he's flexing. Oh. Anyways. Thanks for tuning in. Haven't been going live in a while. What else is new? Total Divas is September 19th is the premiere. Yeah, tune in on SmackDown Live. If you're in Pensacola, come out and check out the show tonight. And then Gainesville on Monday, and Tuesday, Orlando, Florida. So, I'm going to go and get in the water as well. Happy Lana Day. Oh, and then if you go get a Happy Lana Day shirt and a Rusev Day shirt and post them together, you will get retweeted. Because in the words of Rusev, you represent a chick and a cock. His and her. That, whatever that means. Oh, Rusev. Gotta love him.